Hey, come on in, you guys, real quick. Forget the intro. You know what time it is. As I'm doing this face for you guys on another video, do check it out. I decided to use these cutesy NYX Buttermelt bronzers to do my eye look. And I'm starting, like, I just started off camera and I felt like, you know what? The girlies needs to know how versatile and how beautiful this product is. Let me zoom you guys in real quick. So we have this darker shade, Butter Than You, and I'm using this on the perimeter of my eye. I set my face, or I prep my eyes with the NYX Ultimate base, a good old favorite here. And the face is somewhat done, and I'm gonna go ahead. I was doing the eye and everything off camera to come back or whatever, but here we are in front of the camera again, sharing with you guys how you guys could use this just as we've been loving. I'm contemplating on the level of love this bronzer would get versus our good old favorite Juvia's Place bronzer, if and only if NYX can give us a duo just as the Juvia's Place. Let's say on this side we have another shade to enjoy, it'll be epic. So this is this shade, you guys. I'm using this on the crease area. I'm just gonna leave it right here. This is gonna be probably the most, like, the quickest video, the quickest demo with the product. You see how melting and how buttery this thing look on my lid? It's just like this perfect reddish in between bronzer blush type of color. Yo, and eyeshadow. Now it is definitely one-stop shop product. I might overdoing it because I'm feeling myself right now. I'm feeling this product, and I'm using this brush here from Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH15. It has a little angle to it, and it just layers the product beautifully where it needs to be. And I also have the other shade here, Butter or Do Butter, probably the next lighter shade from that shade. This is what we have all over the face today. I'm gonna use another brush. This is a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna put that on the inner part of the eye, still giving us the bronzer look over the eye, and connecting everything together like 1, 2, 3 step. I can definitely pop a lighter shade. Ooh, my face is itching. A lighter shade on the lid just to give us a little pop. I'm gonna add on the face. I'm using everything that I have on the face on the eye today. This Florence by Mills marble bronzer. This has a lighter shade to it with a little bit of glow. We're gonna put that right here. Make it so simple and effortless. Y'all see? Easy peasy eye look for the Lolo. Let me know how you guys like it. See you guys at the end. This is the full face. This is the eye look. Quickie, the quickest eye look I've had. We're not putting any mascara today. We're just gonna listen, allow my lashes to just be today. They put on a fight with me every day. Today I'm giving up. I'm just letting them be. I just have this L'Oreal telescopic lift on with my, you know, eyeliner and everything, and this bronzer slash now eyeshadow palette favorite. And that's what we have on the lid. And on the, you know, mid part, we have this Florence by Mill to give us a little sheer of glow and brightness effect. And yes, that's your eye look for today. Let me know what you guys think, and check out the rest of the videos of the facial process. Yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoy these just as much as I enjoy them today. So, and I'm looking forward to enjoy them a lot more in the near future. Thank you for watching.